up, love. We still big pimpin'. We over here. We still steady. What is it? Ah, you recording, man. Fuck that shit.
Baby, do it.
Alright. This what's gonna happen. Y'all gonna see the beginning of something. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell y'all. So I get on this motherfucking Daysky Aski. This Danky Yankee right here. Yo, this is incriminating. If this girl showed this to the fucking somebody.
You can't even see what you're doing on here.
Well, I'm telling them what I'm doing. It's like, I ain't gonna be ignorant. But the purpose of this shit was this song I got. We over here. Like, come on, man, give me something to talk about.
You were just talking a whole bunch.
Bit pimpin'. Something while the pimp juke drippin'. Said we still. I can't get it out right.